All right, hi Math 10. So your lesson for this week is going to revolve around regular polygons and finding the angle of each interior angle and each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Before I can teach you that, I need to explain what a regular polygon is. So a regular polygon means that it's a polygon, obviously, where all the sides have exactly the same length. They're all congruent. And every single interior angle has the same measure. And if you notice, the number of angles is exactly the same as the number of sides. So in order to find the measure of each interior angle, so I'm going to write this, each interior angle, and this is important, of a regular polygon. It has to be a regular polygon, otherwise this does not work. So each interior angle of a regular polygon, will be equal to, now in order to do this, you have to find the total number of degrees in the polygon. All right, so that's the first thing. Take the total number of degrees, which you have learned to do, and then divide by the number of angles. So divide that by the number of angles. And you guys, I just said the number of angles is equal to the number of sides. So now with this concept, we're going to actually derive the formula for finding the measure of each interior angle. So I'm going to just abbreviate here, each interior angle. And remember, this is of a regular polygon, all right, will be equal to the total number of degrees. And this was last week's assignment. In order to find the total number of degrees in any polygon, you had to do 180 degrees times n minus 2. And if you remember, n minus 2 meant the number of triangles. The number of triangles is always 2 less than the number of sides. Now, the number of angles in a regular polygon is the same as the number of sides, so we're going to use n. So to find each interior angle, you have to find the total number of degrees, 180 times n minus 2, and then divide by the number of angles, n. So this right here is the formula that you will be using for part of your assignment this week. Keep in mind, this formula has 2 variables. Each interior angle measure is one of your variables. The number of sides of the polygon is your second variable. So write this down on your paper somewhere, write this at the top of your homework. This is what's the most important piece of this lesson.